Hi guys, as you can clearly see, I am still a potato. No, but we're actually playing Airplane 3, even though it's basically dead. Let me in. Han, please don't leave me. Han, Han, why are there two Hans? Wait. Why is Han 97? Wait, which one's the real Han? Are you the Han? Or are you Han? I don't know. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, Han. Oh my gosh, I'm getting crushed. Well, bye, Hans. Hans are gonna be teleported. Knew it! Hello, Han twins. I'm going to be sitting here because I am the owner. Don't mind the man in the back. I'm gonna kick him. Ciao! Okay. So, guys, we are going to see the secret mission files. We have to kill Charlie D'Amelio? What? You are probably wondering why you get here. No, I don't. Airplane 3. The story. Han, quick. Quick, sit. Han. Han, you need to sit. I'm the Robloxia State Army General. See, finally, Han's alive. And she's sitting next to her brother, Han. It's the Han twins. Why are they sitting in the same seats that they just swapped? Or else you'll be expelled from the team. No, Han, don't jump. Don't jump out of your seat. Now, please. Are we all taking a seat? Ah, yes. Han, I'm gonna pretend I have a rivalry with you. Han, you killed my brother. Han, oh, Han 97579, don't move. We're all gonna live. Let's get to the point. Ooh, medkit. Let me get the medkit. Okay, let's get to the point. What the hell? Who the hell is that? This is our target. What a basic cheat, man. His name is Ronald. Ronald McDonald. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. We have investigated, and we all know he's a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? He killed people. That is where we are heading. Oh! He held a... Ronald, let's kill... Why? Well, it's not our business, though. It's their business. Well, I guess we'll have them. That is right. Look at the plane is still flying autopilot, which means everyone is safe. By the way, I don't think armies save planes. I think, like other people save planes, and we need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. We'll find Ronald intentions. Ronald's? Your grammar is horrible, General Poncho. But how do we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Is this the secret lair? Are you opening a secret lair? Because it's gonna look... Oh my gosh. Never mind, your lair's cool, Larry Poncho. Scary Mary, whatever your name is, Poncho. Your name is Poncho. Bon Jovi. Han, why are you facing there? You're gonna die. Oh, well, Han's with Han, and then I'm gonna be part of the Han family. I'm part of the family of Hans. Everyone ready? Yeah, I think so. Going down. I thought we were going... Oh, yeah, because... Han! What are you doing? Don't fly! Why was he... Oh, my gosh, they're levitating. We all have magic powers. Han! Han, get down! Han! Han! Han, no! Wait, someone should make an edit of like some of these people dying, and then the audio goes like, "Born a hero, hero till lights out." Okay, time to wear this. I'm wearing a boy suit because I am a boy in a woman's costume. Han, please don't die. Why are you wearing pink? No one is leaving this place without the military outfit. No! Doozies! Five. No! Doozies! Doozies! No! Han. Oh wait, I think she's already wearing one. But Doozies, why did you die on me? Oh, we're not allowed to go there. Doozies, we couldn't do this without you. No, Doozies. Checking the plane. Not enough fuel. That's where we got the damn fuel. I said that's why we get the fuel. Uh-oh! Looks like we don't have enough fuel. I can clearly see that. I'm not blind. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Yeah, that is a fuel nozzle. I know, I've played this game before. There's 4. We could have all done them separately if Doozies didn't die. Doozies. Chess. Connect the nozzles. Wait, and then someone should do an edit of Doozies dying, and then like doing, "Are you man enough?" edit. Imagine a fan page actually did that. I have no fan pages that I know of, but I feel like I have one on TikTok. Yes, thank you for this. Give me this. Yes, Han, you're helping us. Yes, Han, get that one. Imagine one of... No, you're gonna get crushed if you stay under there. Han, no die. Are you man enough? Are you man enough? Are you man enough? Filling tank. Wow, only 4 nozzles to fill a whole damn airplane? Wow. Tank full. And now we are ready. I need to go to the bathroom. Do you have a bathroom in there so I can pee? Because I really need to pee. My stomach hurts. Han, you're gonna get crushed. I'm talking about the girl Han. Han, no. He will be our pilot through this mission. Crashes the whole plane. System is ready, General. Please start the engine. Pilot. Okay. Starting the engine. That's the sound of the pilot. Engine's ready. Operating back. Han? Phew! None of us died! Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Hans! Get in! I'm sitting next to the general. What are you doing, sir? Sir, why are you flailing your arms? I'm sitting with the Han family. Never mind, I don't like the general. The general sucks. I hate how he flails his arms like... Why is he flailing his arms? 2, 1, 0! Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. I have a fear of heights. Actually, I do have a fear of heights. I'll be fine because this is Roblox. This is Oh! Never mind. Can I go home? Can I jump out of the plane? I don't care. I want to jump out of the plane. Get me out. Even though... Oh, whoa. There's something about this Ronald guy. He's a demon. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that? Yeah, he looks like a basic guy with basic clothing. That's why he became a demon and then killed everyone. General, what are these bananas for so we can eat them? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Only this? Only this, General? General, you must give me a whole McDonald's. No, you need to get me the whole McDonald's meal. Because, what do you mean we've been flying for a few hours and I'm not even hungry? I'm hungry. Wait! Don't eat the banana. Oh, well, I just did. It's poisoned. Well. Oh, wait, it's 25. What? Shut up, me. I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. Guys, I think Ronald... No, not Ronald. I think Poncho broke the fourth wall because we basically say that in every story. Anyways, we'll be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. I will wake you up when it's time. Yeah, right. He's gonna wake us up in like the middle of the night. I'm sitting with Han Girl. No! It's becoming dark again. Oh, what the hell? Oh. What happened to the clouds? The clouds are gone. Time to wake up, everyone. It's the middle of the night. The middle of the night. It's literally the middle of the night, so call me whenever I land on ground because I'm gonna jump. Oh. General, we were struck by lightning. Yeah, and our engine's fussy. The motor is good. Hi, guys. Hi, everybody. Hi, you can clearly see. Does that mean we will die? Yes. Yes, Han. You're so overdramatic that we will die. Okay, everyone chill. And shut up. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Why? You aren't some traitor. You aren't so... We ain't like dogs. We ain't your guard dogs. I ain't even protecting you. I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna... Han, no, you're gonna jump. Han, don't jump. Han, don't think about it. The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Push him off. Oh! General Poncho won't cover me and try to not get struck. Poncho, I think you fell, so we can't cover you. Whoa! Whoa. Excuse me. Born a hero till lights out. Why am I still talking about this audio? That was like 12 minutes ago. Quick! Everyone dodge! Ah! I wish General Poncho would get struck by the lightning. Well, he's already dead, so it doesn't even matter anyway. I wanted him dead. Sorry if my voice sounds weird. I'm sick. I'm sick today. Because there's a flipping hole in my sock and the literal closet drawer is closed and my floorboards are literally so cold. The motor is fixed now. Excuse me, you're on the floor. You're actually, oh my gosh, how? Guys, I have a theory. General Poncho is Ronald. I've never seen such a strong, oh, well. What is that? It's the end of the world. Also, how are you so slim? If you had actual human skin, you would be so slim. Because you fire! Quickly! Oh, so General Poncho believes us. No, I don't, and the pilots don't believe us. Pilot! Is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? See, he believes us. I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. The giant skeleton! We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We are almost there. Okay. Hey, why did you get a teddy bear? Give me that. Give me that. Give me the teddy bear. I love teddy bears. But I feel like that teddy bear in real life would actually poke me with because there's a sewing needle inside. We need to get everyone out safely. Well, sir, I see no plane. I see nothing. Once we are there, we just have one chance. Or we die. Good luck, soldiers. Are you not coming with us? I'm the only one in proper uniform while they are just literal baggy clothes. I don't think they deserve to... Oh, well. Wait, why are you with us? This is it. Why are you still fixing the floorboards? We are in the plane. Take it down. Looks like Ronald covered the door. Also, how did we get in? None of these have cracks on them, or... I wanted to do this my whole life. Why? Oh no, we better hurry. Check the storage, see if you can find anything to open this door. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. Wow. Hey guys, everybody, I'm the main center of the show. Don't mind them. Stare into my bald forehead. I'm wearing a wig. Oh, sir. It's over, Ronald. McDonald. That's baldled. How did you get here? Through my super spine mechanism, of course. Han, come. There's no time to go after him. Han. No, actually, I'm giving you names. Han number 1 and Han number 2. Just so you know, the blue haired is Han number 1. And the red hair is Han number 2. No, yeah, actually, I'm swapping the roles. Quick, fix them. Untie them. Oof, you tied the little... No, you deserve to die, Ronald. Ronald, why? Ronald, you're actually disgusting. That's a baby. That's the baby. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. I knew it. But that's a... Where did the... I love how he's walking like this. This is it. Han number 2. You're gonna die, I think. We just have one chance. Nope. We won't going back unless there's a fire. Who wants to be in the hero? I'm not. I'm going to be sitting in this plane seat. Han. I will do it. Han, you're gonna sacrifice yourself? No. I was going to do it. I was joking. No. Han number 1, don't. Ronald, open the door. Han number 2, come. 1. I thought Han number 2 left. Han. Come. Quick, so we don't get in any danger. If you want to stay by your twin brother, then so will I. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans of being a demon. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong, Ronald? What is wrong, Ronald? Han, you're stupid. Han number 1, you're stupid. Shoot. Han, guys, come. Han! Han! Yes! Come! Come, guys! There's no time. Yes, we must get out. Come! I knew you could trust me. Shoot. But General, what about Ronald and the captain? Don't mind them. We need to survive for your safety. We need to leave or we will not make it. Yeah, that's true. Listen to Banjo. Quick. Shoot. No, Han. The back door's... Quick. Before we die. No! No. Guys, I'm restarting this. Good question. Whoop. Okay, we are going to choose our outfits. This time, I'll wear red to mourn the loss of Duhaze. Okay, we are back here. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Okay, I'm going to get the first fuel nozzle. Then I'm going to get the second. Okay. You do the second too. Yup. Well, never mind, he's not. Wait, no. Princess died. Princess? Princess, can you hear me? Well, I'm gonna die like him. Wait, I found him! I found him! Hey! Well, guys, this is the end of the video. I might make a part 2 to see if I can survive.